Good day, my friends. Today I am creating a guided meditation with the pureness of light. And as I connect you today through your free will, is connecting to the highest frequency of wisdom. And as you deeply desire and want to connect to the highest frequency of wisdom, it will also allow the pureness of light energy of all that is that will stream through me to you through this session today in restoring your pituitary gland back to perfect health. If anything got in the way of cluttering your gland, we will clear and cleanse your gland today and activating it to all that is in the pureness of light, to have your free will and the eternal truth within you of that deep connection to be restored and back to perfect health. It's also allowing your third eye chakra to be healed today and restored to perfect health, and connecting you back to the eternal truth, to the truth of who you are within. So please be in a relaxed position with no distractions around you for this session today. Have headphones if you have them, because they will help and make a difference, as it allows for you to be focused with me in the present moment, with no distractions getting in the way of our connection today. So as you are laying there comfortable or seated, it's closing your eyes with me now in this moment. And we are going to use our imagination today, imagining that we are going to connect to the highest frequency of wisdom in the pureness of light. And with each breath in, you are going to breathe in the pureness of light into your being and all the way down to your feet. And as you breathe out with each breath out, you are going to breathe out all energy that is not the truth of who you are, that you've carried, knowingly or unknowingly. But with each breath out, breathing out any energy that is not the truth of who you are. And in this moment, it is shifting over to not using your thinking mind of thinking of thoughts, but shifting over to just being aware and observing. Aware and observing of the sensations of how the air feels when you breathe it in, and how it feels in your body as you breathe it out. Just noticing the sensations of how it feels, of the air that you are breathing in and breathing out. Now I would like you to bring awareness to your face, to your neck and shoulders. And as you bring awareness to your face, your neck and shoulders, when you breathe out, feeling all the muscles and tension letting go. I would like your palms faced upward, please, with however you're seated or laying. And in this moment, bringing awareness to your arms, right to your fingertips. And as you breathe out, feeling all the muscles letting go of your physical body. And now bringing awareness to your upper back, lower back, chest and tummy, And as you breathe out, feeling all the tension letting go. All muscles letting go. And then down to your legs, to your feet, to your toes. Bringing awareness to the space, and as you breathe out, feeling all the muscles, all tension letting go. Now just coming back to your breath, and just observing again the sensations of how the air feels as you breathe it into your body and breathe out. Using our imagination again, I will come into your space with you, allowing me to shift my energy of the truth of my light and the pureness of light to step behind you now in this moment, as I am here to help in restoring you and connecting you back to the eternal truth within you. And in this moment, it is allowing me to place my hands gently on the top of your head as I am connected to the highest frequency of wisdom in this moment. And it is through your free will with me now in this moment to breathe in the highest frequency of wisdom into your being, and breathing it in all the way down to your toes through the top of your head. Allowing the pureness of light to move through you, allowing it to just flow to where it needs to go for our session today, to help in rising you up to the eternal truth within you. It's understanding we are all worthy to the connection into the pureness of light for your healing today, for your activation today, for restoring you back to the eternal truth within you today. As we've come here to learn, grow, and evolve. And you have learned from your mistakes in the past, doing the best you could in each moment, and even still today. Allowing and asking for all fears to be removed through this session today with me, as I amplify the highest frequency of wisdom in through your being even more and more and more. And it's bringing the light to your pituitary gland in this moment, amplifying the pureness of all that is into this space to restore it back to perfect health. Before anything got in the way, blocking you from your connection and your deep desire, breathing it in into your pituitary gland within your brain, and just allowing it to flow to where it needs to go through your free will. And I will amplify the vibration of the pureness of light to your pituitary gland in this moment, even more and more and more. giving you your birthright back that has been taken away since coming into this human experience and not understanding more than they knew. Understanding this connection to the highest of divine light, to your eternal truth, to bring healing and restoring you back to perfect health. Amplifying the frequency of wisdom, of the highest frequency that is moving through you to help you and support you on your path. Even more and more and more. And it's allowing the pureness of light to connect to your third eye chakra and giving you back your birthright to the connection, to be cleared from anything that took you away from the pureness of your third eye connection. And just allowing the flow of the pureness of all that is moving to that space as well right now, amplifying to restore it back to perfect health. Even more and more and more. Again, through your deep desire and free will, I would like you to breathe in the highest frequency of wisdom and the pureness of light. Breathe it in all the way down to your toes as I amplify the vibration of it to move through you even more and more and more. Any challenges you were faced in your life, the hardships in your life, to allowing the wisdom to move through you to help you through the challenges in your life that will unfold for you as your deep desire connecting to the highest frequency of wisdom to move through you to help you through these challenges you are faced with in your life. And you will see, if it is not instant, within days to come, new thoughts, new ideas, new perspectives will come in that will shift to rise you up so you can complete the cycle to learn, grow, and evolve through your challenges, moving it behind you as you rise up in your life because you are worthy of it. No matter what you have lived through, you are worthy to rise up in your life. And allowing that truth to move through you now in this moment, my brother or sister of light energy. In this moment with me, it is feeling deep gratitude from your heart for the pureness of light energy, for the highest frequency of wisdom, for the healing and restoring you back to the eternal truth within you, your birthright to have these connections within you as you move forward on your path. You can either hit pause now in this moment to allow yourself to stay laying in that space, or you can choose to breathe in now all the way down to your toes, coming back to the space in your room. And as you breathe in again, wiggling your fingers and toes, feeling your physical body, now slowly opening your eyes and coming back to me. It was an honor for me to be here with you today in this moment, to connect you to the pureness of all that is, of the highest frequency of wisdom, and to bring healing to the spaces that were needed for you today. And I wish you an amazing day.